You should do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency project, says every crypto expert ever. But what exactly does doing your own research entail? What do you do first? Which sources do you trust? And when it comes to research, how much is enough? Welcome to our channel. This video will tell you the fundamentals of researching a cryptocurrency coin or token. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin introduced the concept of cryptocurrency to the world, and boy did it blow up. However, Bitcoin is now a speck in a vast sea of cryptocurrency coins and tokens. The media coverage of them is overwhelming and, at times, inaccurate. Add to this the scammers out there that prey on the lack of education in this new field, and it is common to see individuals lose a lot of money because they are confused and don't know what they are doing. Have you ever had such an experience? If yes, what did you learn from it? Let us know in the comment section below. The most important thing you can do to become a successful crypto trader is to devote time and effort to learn about your cryptocurrency assets. However, things are not so simple and you may not know where to begin. So here's a step-by-step approach to assist you with your research. Why should you do your own research? So why should you put in all this effort in the first place when there are hundreds of experts giving you advice on the internet? Well, the answer is quite simple. Investors must be able to tell the difference between a shill and genuine momentum in a business. Shilling is a common crypto strategy in which users advertise the coins they own to influence the market. It's sometimes tough to tell the difference between a shill and an unbiased post. And therefore, before investing in any cryptocurrency, it is recommended that you make your own decision, rather than relying on someone else's recommendation. In addition, DIRE can assist potential investors in avoiding Sybil attacks. Sybil attacks have become highly common on social media platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook. People with malicious intent can quickly create fake identities to fool investors into buying cryptocurrency based on a popular article on the website. Because it's not always easy to recognize these fake accounts, it's crucial to be skeptical and conduct your own research. Types of research. When it comes to cryptocurrency, there are 3 types of research that you can do. The first is the technical analysis, which involves studying the past price and performance of the asset. You can look at the data and charts, but it usually takes much more than that to make a well-informed decision. The second type of research is sentimental analysis. It may sound complicated, but essentially refers to how the public feels about a particular project. Why does it matter what everyone else is saying? Because the more people believe in a particular coin, the more they would be likely to invest in it. As the number of investors increases, so does the project's profitability. There is no standard way to measure sentiments, but you can analyze the words people are using while discussing the project on the internet. Some places may even provide you with a sentiment score for each project. That being said, remember that sentiments can be manipulated and are usually nothing but an early indication of how a project might do. The last and most important type of research is fundamental analysis, which we will concentrate on. It refers to studying the actual facts, ideas, team, and progress of a specific project. How to find a trustworthy source of information. An essential requirement for doing any research is to ensure that the information you're using is authentic. If your sources don't know what they are talking about, it's pointless to spend hours combing through information. Everyone seems to have an opinion in crypto, even those with no credibility. Therefore, it's vital to choose who you listen to and who you take seriously. You have to see whether the source has a good reputation in the industry and what do their previous accomplishments say about them. Moreover, if they have a large following, their information is more likely to be accurate, because they stand to lose a lot if they share false information. Similarly, popular news sites and websites tend to be more reliable, but do not believe everything you read. Try to gather as many different opinions as you can and broaden your perspective. And lastly, is the source providing a balanced opinion? Trustworthy crypto experts will tell you both the pros and cons of a particular token. Different types of sources of information. Now that you know how to differentiate a trustworthy source from a fraudulent one, let's talk about where you can find the information you need. Suppose you have recently learned about a promising cryptocurrency. Going to a website like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to gain an initial view of the project is one of the best things you can do before diving into news sites and discussion forums. These websites are reliable and will show you what kind of investment you are dealing with at one glance. Check the market valuation to see if it's a low, small, or mid-cap investment, and make sure there's been recent trading volume. Many coins have been inactive for months. Cryptocurrency information is incredibly time-sensitive, and the best place to start, especially for newcomers, is typically social media. You can find various people, pages, and channels on social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, and Discord. Twitter is one of the best ways to stay updated on all the latest crypto news. Along with social media and websites, established news outlets are a wonderful place to check if any of your potential ventures have reached the news. CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin Magazine, NewsBTC, and CryptoNews.net are the most credible crypto news sources. When it comes to news, Reddit is also worth mentioning. Although it is not a news source, it does bring together some of the best crypto news sources in one place with various subreddits and communities where you can read about and actively discuss a specific project or issue. Lastly, and most importantly, if you're considering investing, you will want to check out the project's official website. The website should provide open access to information about the project's creators. Poor websites, spelling errors, and a lack of transparency around the team are warning signs of a bad investment or outright pump and dump scam. You will also find the project's white paper on the official website. A coin's white paper includes a comprehensive description of the project. While they might be pretty technical for the ordinary investor, their primary goal is to show the coin's purpose, utility, future prospects, and underlying technology, which all quality projects will explain in detail. What should you look for? So what exactly should you be looking for in the plethora of information you will find from these sources? First and foremost, you want to understand the tokenomics or economics of the asset in question. This means you want to know the basic characteristics of the coin, such as whether it is inflationary or deflationary, or how it will be released to the general public. You will find most of this information on the project's official website and white paper. We suggest that you pay special attention to the drawbacks and criticism of the project, because that's the stuff which will matter in the long run. It is too easy to make something look good, and if you did not think it was worth your time, you would not be researching the coin in the first place. It would help if you also looked up the team behind the project. Simply put, a good and trustworthy team is much more likely to create a profitable project than someone who is new to the industry and does not have a good reputation. And last but not least, you must do competitor research. If there is a bigger or more established project similar to yours, there may be no room for your cryptocurrency to grow. While there are many initiatives out there with good technology, being first to market has a significant advantage. So, we come to the end of teaching you the first steps you should take in your journey with cryptocurrency. We hope you found this video helpful, and if there are any other crypto-related topics you would like to know more about, feel free to drop a comment. And while you're there, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the crypto world.